Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of top stories impacting the Indian and Indian American communities. It's April 20th, 2026. The detention of an Indian origin interpreter by ICE in Texas has sparked legal challenges and renewed debate over immigration enforcement practices. India's SEBI chief highlighted the growing role of AI in enforcement and investor protection during a Silicon Valley visit, emphasizing trust in digital markets. A NASSCOM delegation in Silicon Valley is pushing to deepen India-US tech collaboration, focusing on innovation, talent mobility, and supply chains. Experts are asking whether India is truly ready for the AI age, weighing its potential against gaps in policy, infrastructure, and workforce preparedness. At TiECon 2026, leaders spotlighted new entrepreneurial opportunities, with startups and investors exploring cross-border innovation pathways. An Indo-American group marked 25 years of community engagement at a unity dinner, celebrating cultural ties and shared progress. The Strait of Hormuz remains open for now, with stability hinging on a fragile ceasefire in a region critical to global energy flows. An opinion piece critiques Prof. Marandi's mistake, raising questions over narrative framing and geopolitical interpretation. A reflective tribute notes how legendary singer Asha Bhosle's legacy is sometimes overlooked, despite her immense cultural impact. Indian origin physicians are set to gather in Tampa for AAPI 2026, focusing on healthcare collaboration and professional networking. The California Assembly has passed a resolution marking Vaisakhi, recognizing the cultural and historical significance of the Sikh festival. Indian chess star R. Vaishali has won the Women's Candidates Tournament, earning a shot at the World Championship title. The UT Dallas Comet Cricket Club has gone unbeaten to win a national title, highlighting the rise of cricket in US universities. IPL 2026 continues to deliver high-octane action, with fans treated to non-stop excitement across matches. The rise of teenage talent like Vaibhav Suryavanshi underscores a new era in elite cricket, where young prodigies are making an early impact. That's all for today's roundup. Stay informed with Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com.